Good morning. Today is Sunday, March 12th. We didn't vlog yesterday for personal reasons, and so
we don't like to share that.
Yeah, of course, there's always that fine line of sharing and not oversharing.
Yeah, and we might get drama.
So we just didn't vlog yesterday for personal reasons. So we're back at it today, vlogging. We're going on an adventure to Ala Moana Shopping Center.
And we're getting an iPad.
My mom got her tax money, and since our iPad is like broken, we need a new one. So that's where we're going, the Apple Store.
Hey, you want to make a cameo on YouTube? Hey, Bobby. Hey.
This is a Bobby.
Yeah. Hey, baby.
So we're here finally at Ala Moana. Oh, sorry. The bus was like super jammed, and I had to stand the whole way, and now my back is all sore. It hurts. Oh my god, it hurts like crazy. I want to cry. It's so sore.
It's a 20.
Oh my god.
For real?
Yeah, it hurts that bad.
So bad you feel like crying.
And people heard me making noise. Oh, my back pain. They still gave me dirty looks and just sat there.
That's the first.
They actually gave me dirty looks when I was going, oh, my back. So we're here at Ala Moana. As you can see, even though I'm in pain, I'm gonna try to enjoy being out. And here we hardly come here.
Very beautiful. So can you tell us a little bit more about the hula and how long it's been practicing together in Japan? このhula hulaについてもう少し説明いただけますか？何年一緒に練習しているとか、どこに何人そういうメンバーがありますか？私は20年来のフラといます。フラが大好きです。そして払うは赤坂、東京、赤坂にいただきます。
So we went to the Apple Store, which is like over there. Oh. And then we just went into Microsoft.
And I played Minecraft.
Now we're gonna go to Longs and go pick up a couple things. And then, oh, my store. I can get lost in the store. I can go buy everything.
But you don't.
I don't have the money to buy everything. Well, this has money. I got lost the first time. I thought the Apple Store was this way. It was actually where we went. And I want to save up to get like Apple laptops and computers and stuff for us. Yeah? Would you like that if you could get that?
Yeah. If I got a computer that had Minecraft to download Minecraft on it, I would just download Minecraft.
Download Minecraft. So now we're gonna go back where we originally started. We got lost. So now we, because I haven't been here for a while, I thought it was the other way. Yeah.
You never been here since last year.
Yeah. Where's all the fishies?
Over
There's
there.
one. There's some over there, look. Blue. Some. Yeah. All fish. This is all full of fish. I don't know if they can catch. There's like little fishes here, but yeah, I can. There's like little fishes here. Look at that one. Look at this one right here. It looks like it's red. Oh yeah, it's flying in there. The mall light, yeah.
Yeah, flying drones.
Flying drones. This is the first way we came, and I thought this was the Apple Store. I went to the Apple Store, but we were wrong. Yeah. I saw a monkey.
What?
Right there. You see the monkey, Logan?
Yeah. And down here.
Yeah. Monchichi.
Chichi.
Monchichi. Now we're on our way to Barnes & Noble. Yeah. And we did go to Lush. And then Logan wants, we're gonna do it in our sink so you can see a bath bomb explosion in our sink. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be all blue.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that when we get home, yeah?
Yeah.
And then,
I hope that bomb doesn't create blue for a week.
and then Barnes & Noble is this way. I still have to get something for my mom for her birthday. So we're gonna check out over there, see if I can see something.
Batman.
Batman.
Yeah.
Wait, what was that? Your little Minecraft figure?
Yeah. MC.
Huh?
His name is MC.
MC?
Yeah. Okay, Minecraft.
Kung Fu Panda.
Yeah.
Hey, blocking Kung Fu Panda. I get it, yeah.
Yeah. Barnes & Noble.
Barnes & Noble. Thank you. I think Mama would like crossword puzzles. Yeah. I'm filming, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, he filming. Let's see her little pets.
Oh yeah.
How's this a bobblehead?
It's not, it just stays like that, I think. Gamora, Logan.
Where?
Right here. Gamora and Rocket.
The new one.
Mm.
Cat in the hat.
You're getting a book, okay? We're at the bus stop waiting for the bus to go home. And Logan got this book at Barnes & Noble. Yeah.
Barnes & Nobles.
Barnes & Noble. That's Ala Moana Beach Park across the street. And this side, this is the Makai side. This is Mocha. This is the ocean side of Ala Moana. And the ocean is like right across the street too. So we're gonna be here for
A long time.
half an hour waiting for the bus.
Well, not a half hour, like 25 minutes now.
Yeah, well last time I checked was 29, so I'm gonna be here a while waiting for the bus. We did find something for my mom for her birthday.
We're not going to because she might be watching this video.
And I made these lays for Logan and his birthday party on the 25th. Yeah. They look handsome. So we see you when we get home.
Bye. We're filling it up.
Yeah, we gotta fill this up with water first before we put your bath bomb in there. Show everybody the bath bomb you get.
A blue one.
I wish there was smell-o-vision. That thing actually smells very good.
Smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision. I wish there was a sense of smell with the when you watch.
How about in the future there is?
Maybe. Okay.
Look how my dust is in there.
I know. I'm gonna stop. Okay, here we go with the bath bomb. Whoa!
Whoa!
That's neat. And look, the whole water's turning blue, Logan. Look at that. Look at my goodness.
I never touched the bath bomb in the water.
Look at you. You look like you got melted ice cream on your hands. Look at that.
Look at it.
Come on, fill out some more. That's so cool.
Mandela effect.
Mandela effect. Watch out your hand, you're blocking the view.
It's the fizzle effect.
Yeah, I can see it fizzling. You should see it from how I'm looking at it.
Oh yeah, it does.
Look at all those bubbles.
It looks like an apple that somebody just ate.
Let me see. Show. Oh yeah. Okay, I guess we'll end it here for now with the bath bomb explosion. We hope you like this video of us.
It's fizzling on the water.
You can see it. Going us to Ala Moana and us just being us.
Yeah, look at the core.
We thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video.
This is our first time testing out a bath bomb, guys.
Yeah.